Always handle the printer with the equipment turned off and the power cable disconnected before working on any component. If you need to disconnect cables or tubes, take a photo before starting to ensure correct reconnection afterward. Always protect the environment and the printer. Wear gloves if you need to handle tubes, dampers, or any other component that contains ink, as it can be corrosive. Avoid contact between the ink and electronic components, as it may cause damage. Move the printhead carriage to the center, then turn off the printer and unplug the power cable. Carefully remove the damper. Remove the ink tubes. Replace the damper with a new one and reconnect the ink tubes. Using a syringe, remove the air from the damper. Place the damper back in its position. Finally, move the carriage back to its original position.